Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's watching this video, and I want to say thank you to those who have subscribed and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. So in today's video, we will be doing a brown smoky eye, fall inspired, of course, and I'm really excited about this video because I have not done a fall look. I have not given y'all a fall look. So my biggest thing for this look is to really be glamorous. This look is to be able to give you all a different, I guess, look with this brown smoky eye. I don't know, I just feel like when I do certain looks, they just look more like okay, like I give y'all glam and like hurrah, I guess. I don't know, that's how I want to call it, but I give y'all both. So we're gonna get right into this brown smoky eye fall inspired look, and I just can't wait. So for this look, I'm going to start off using my P. Louise #1 base, and this is basically just for our eyes to have more of a pop. We want to be able to see the brown. We want to be able to see the different colors I'm going to use into this look. So you just want to make sure that you use your finger and you just press that in, blending it out. And you can do a couple of layers just so that there's a thickness to it, like so. And I'm going to start with one eye just so you all can get a gist of what I'm doing. And then I'm going to start doing both eyes and cutting it short. So yeah. So because my Juvias Place palette does not have the brown that I need for my base, I'm going to use my Perception palette by ColourPop, MakeupShayla. And I'm going to use that to kind of give my eye that base color. So I'm going to go ahead and use thick. I think it's thick, but the palette fell out and I don't know what's what anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and just pat this in all over. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this orange right here. This is in my Glamour Up palette, and I'm gonna make sure I get a lot of color on this because I want pigment. There's gonna be a lot of different colors in this look. You might be like, oh my goodness, does this work? It's gonna work. And now I'm going very lightly, I'm going to put this in my crease. Okay, so for more of a little bit of abstract in this look, I did bring the orange down to the bridge. You see at the side of my nose, so you know, a little cute, and it's kind of gonna more narrow out my eye a little bit more. So we gonna see what this do. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Mino, and this is Mino. Okay, guys, Mino. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Mino, and this is from the Juvias Place Warrior palette, and I'm going really deep with this brown. I want every bristle to have something on it, because when I pack this in, I need this brown to pop. I really need this to pop. So let's see what we get. It's pumping, but now I'm gonna go back over with the orange just to kind of smooth this out. And now I'm gonna take my MAC brush, and again with that brown, I'm gonna get right on the edge to make it more of a cleaner smoky. Okay, so for the next steps in this look, I am going to take my Vaseline, and I know y'all probably like, what you gonna use this for? But this is a little trick that I did see, and this is how we get the cut crease to really cut the crease. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the Vaseline and a Q-tip, and I'm going to wipe away the center of my eyelid, okay? So after clearing up your lid, you want to take a little bit of the P. Louise base and you're going to go ahead and fill in that area you just cleared out. So taking a tip, little small flat brush, a little bit of base, I'm going to start to fill it in. Before this dry down, I know y'all looking at me like, why she got one eye closed? I'm gonna take this Ulsi, this is a lighter color, and I'm gonna put that right over that. That's pretty much to set it and give a new base to my lid. So next I'm going to take Kano, and this is more like a tannish brown, and I'm going to use that to add the transition between the lid and the crease. Okay, so now that my eyes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation, concealer, and all that good stuff. You all just watch, sit back, relax, and if you have any questions, start to put them in the comment section below. After, we're gonna get into the details of this look. Okay, so the foundation, concealer, everything else is on. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish up the eye look. I know y'all are like, oh my gosh, I thought we were done. We are not done, because this looks more like an orange smoky eye. Again, we are attempting for brown. I just want the orange to be a little bit of a pop, but not the overall focus of this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that Mino brown color, and I'm gonna go right against the waterline to smoke this eye out. So now I'm gonna go along the top waterline, and I'm gonna get right underneath the lashes. And look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna do this eye and I'll be back. Oh, this is cute. Yes, give me face. Give me face. This looks so good. Like, this is really much fall. Like, I really like this look. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my Corduroy eyeshadow by MAC, and I'm gonna use this as my contour. I wanted to use a softer contour because of the eye look is so bold, and again, the lip is gonna be popping too. But I don't want it to like be too dramatic. I want it to be dramatic, but not too dramatic. So just a little bit of this and contour the face. My lashes and my lip, and I will be right back. Y'all just sit there. Okay, so this is the final look. I went ahead and put on some lashes and a lip. This is the Chestnut lip liner and a deep rooted MAC lipstick. I love this combination already. And this lip is more like a gray, and I like it because it has like a little glistle in it with this lip. Like, I just feel like this this look is everything. I like the eye look. I feel like I did really, like, just something different on my eyes. I feel like all the time I kind of go with what everyone expects an eye to look like, but I kind of just went ahead and went and put my own twist on what a brown smoky eye should look like. Okay, this eye is giving me life. Yes. So I'm just gonna say these are some Ardell lashes. They're really nice, just natural lashes. So I feel like if you want this look to be a little bit more, you know, on the dramatic side, you could definitely go ahead and put more of a dramatic lash on. But I want this look to be very versatile. I can go out in this look. I could go to work in this look. I really feel like this is that fall signature look that you need, okay? I just want to say I really enjoyed doing this eye look. I feel like I need to bring more eye looks to you all. So if you like this eye look, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more eye looks, put it in the comment section below. And I just want to say thank you again. And don't forget to subscribe and put on your post notifications. I'll see you all later. Bye.